There is the head hanging in a tree. There's a bat hanging on that Grim Reaper's coffin. The one that was walking. Oh, we have here. I see bones, guts, and he's still standing. Wow. He's still standing. Wow. All right. Now we're going somewhere else. If my legs hold out. Somebody in black. And a black pinstripe suit. Yes. Hey, mister. You got a cigarette? Hey, mister. You with the hat. You got a cigarette? He's not alive. He's dead. Looks like he's been eating something and got it all over. Yes, look at his hands. They're dead hands. What's next? Hanging in a tree. Looks like a Grim Reaper. Hanging in a tree. Right next to him. White. It's a ghost. A white ghost. Yes. The white ghost. Wow. This is a scary place. I gotta get out of here before it gets dark. That's for sure. It's a ghost. You can see right through the ghost. Yes, I can see the tree right through the ghost. It's flying around in the tree. There's a gravestone right here. R.I.P. Rest in peace. Another one. What does it say? Here lies the doctor. He should have left the dead sleep. And there's another tombstone. What's this one say? It says, I am not dead yet. Okay, back over here. Ah, that looks familiar. He looks kind of familiar. Let's see. Who is he? Let me zoom in. I don't want to get too close. Leatherface. Chainsaw Massacre. That's who that is. He's operating on somebody. Well, half of somebody. It's just the chest. The head's gone. The feet and waist is gone. Oh, look at all the guts. Look at all the guts. Oh, the guts are coming out the bottom where it was cut in half. Leatherface, you did it again. I see your chainsaw on the wall with your other tools and legs and feet and a head and hands. And what's this? Up here is a sign. It's a sign. What is it? It's a menu. Butcher's Bones Daily Specials. Filet of heart. John T-bone. Singer's tongue. Boyer's claws. Mrs. B sweetbreads. Cooked specialties. Coward franchise. Bobby back spare ribs. Potbelly roast. Liver a la Mr. King. Al Ralph roast. Here are parts of these cut off people hanging on the wall. Bones down there. And more body parts on the wall. Dripping down. The guts are dripping out. Yes. All over the wall, on the ground. Gas can for his chainsaw. Half a body. Leatherface, you've been gruesome today. Half a body with a leg missing. Oh wow, 2 legs. Oh, Leatherface. Leatherface. Now we turn. We find another tombstone with skulls on it. Oh boy. And yet another tombstone. And this one's got some writing on it. What does it say? You'll be next. Skull in front of it. You'll be next. Was that the guy's name or what? Oh, maybe it means I'll be next. I better run. I'm looking back. It's Scream. Scream is in his graveyard too. Scream. He got a knife in his hand. And we got some crosses. And we got some people climbing out of the ground. Yes. People climbing out of the ground and right by their crosses. There's a casket with the doors open. And there's a skeleton there. And more crosses on the ground. And more crosses. What's this? Another tombstone. Another tombstone. Let's see. What does it say? It says, rest in peace, Pegleg, the saw. And a skull laying there. The saw must have cut Pegleg's leg off. Yes. And as we move along, we see some more crosses in the ground. And more crosses. And over the fence, we see the back of a pirate skeleton and some pirate skulls and a couple stakes in the ground, spears with pirate heads on them. and another pirate's ghost. See something moving. What is this? Somebody's feet going up and down. Somebody's kicking their feet. Why are you kicking? Hey, mister, what's wrong? Why are you kicking? Hey, where's your head? Where's your head? Your feet are kicking. Hey, you, is it black? What happened to this guy? Guillotine operator, huh? The Reaper, the Grim Reaper. Ooh, he's bleeding. His skull is bleeding. Hey, look at him. He's turning red. He's getting all red. Must have high blood pressure. What's this? Something fell. Looked like a blade. What was it? I will investigate and see what it was. Yes, there's a blade up in the air. It went down. Oh, it cut his head off. Oh, I'm getting away from there before they get me. Okay, there's a casket and a reef with a skull in the middle. Who's in the casket? Casket's half open. It's Dracula. Count Dracula, the vampire. Oh, look at him. Vampire. Okay. Time to get away from him before he sucks my blood. Alright, and looking. Who are you? It's Pinhead. Oh, from Hellraiser, Pinhead. You ain't gonna get me, 'cause I'm moving. Van, rest in peace. Who was Van? I don't know.